Welcome to Power Equipment Technology. I'm Levi. I'm a Wadsworth senior and I'm going to show you around. Here we have a nice selection of stuff we get to work on. This is all our class equipment. We have lawnmowers, rototillers, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, motorcycles, you name it, we do it. Over here we have our selection of push mowers, snow blowers. We go through these as a class, diagnose them, learn about all the parts of them. Here I have an Ingersoll lawnmower part. We're doing a wiring harness on it. I got all my tools to start making battery cables out here. As you can see, the old cable's pretty rough looking. We made new ones. What we do is I'll take one of these cable ends, put it on, use my solder, my heat gun, I'll solder that all together so then that cable will work like brand new. Over here is our classroom where we do all of our book work. We earn our certifications over here. As you can see, I have a career safe. We do EETC, which is our engine one. SP2, that's Briggs. We do Honda. And we do our CPR training. We do our 10-hour OSHA training. We learn many more certifications along the way. Over here we have some students working on a dirt bike that they brought in. They're putting a new throttle cable on it. Over here is Morgan. He's going to talk to you about what we do with four-wheelers and dirt bikes.
I'm Morgan, a senior from Cloverleaf, and I'll show you guys the dyno. We bring in our own stuff and work on the school stuff and test the horsepower and the speed. Hit it for us. That's just a little glimpse of what we do. You can test your own stuff, you can test the schools. We do the horsepower and speed. And then over here, we have 12 of the school's ATVs. We have 12 of these. We do clutch, electrical, motor work, brakes, everything on it. You do it with a partner and you do all 24 students, 2 per quad. And then bringing it back to Levi, he's gonna explain these tractors.
So not only do we do small engines and four-wheelers, we do tractors as well. Here's the students' John Deere B they brought in to do some general service and radiator work too. Over here we have Aiden working on a customer's Ford tractor. He's putting new brakes under it. Over here we have Krista working on some lawnmowers. She's going to tell you what she did to that one.
I'm Krista. I'm a senior from Cloverleaf High School. We have all these tractors. They're customer tractors. The fun thing about our lab is that we get multiple equipment from customers, so we get to work on it and we give it back to them. Then this is one of the customers' tractors that I have been working on. When we got it, the engine was no good anymore, so I took it out and I replaced a brand new engine on it, and right now that's what I'm doing. I'm replacing all my pulleys and everything, and I will take you guys down here to Dylan, and he's in welding.
Hi, my name is Dylan. I am a senior at Cloverleaf. And right here we have our brand new welding room. Right behind me here we have Chorba. He's going to do some cutting for us. This is our welding room, like I said. We have our brand new PowerWave Lincoln welders. They do multi-process stick, TIG, and MIG. I am attending Skills USA at the regional competition, and I will be competing for a chance to go to states and further on from there. So the 3 of us have been allowed to use the new TIG machines and practice TIG in stainless steel along with aluminum. And with that, I'll take you back to the rest of them.
After I graduate high school, I'm going to go straight into the workforce. Because of this lab, I got a job at a tractor dealer and I'm going to continue working there.
After high school, I'm going to attend a 4-year trade in Michigan, practicing weld technology.
After school, I will be going right into the workforce. My dad owns a power sport company, and I plan to take it over one day.
After high school, I will be attending Ohio State University ATI for crop and soil conservation and management. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Power Equipment Technology. Hope to see you next year.